Just about everything in our digital lives depends on data. That data lives inside data centers, like the one CyrusOne builds and operates. Inside a data center, servers store and process that data around the clock. Like any technology, servers create heat while they work. To keep them running reliably, data centers need cooling. There are two main ways to cool a data center. Some use water-based cooling systems that continuously draw from local water supplies. Others use air-based cooling systems that do not. For over 15 years, CyrusOne's standard design has been air cooling. That is by choice. We see water as a precious resource and have built our facilities around protecting it. Our air cooling system works through what is called a closed loop. Here is how it works. As servers run, they create heat. Air carries that heat away from the servers and moves it across pipes filled with water. That water carries the heat to outdoor cooling equipment, and once cooled, returns through the same closed loop to start the process again. The water is never drained, replaced, or consumed. It keeps circulating through the same sealed system. Because of this design, CyrusOne's standard data centers do not require a continuous supply of water for cooling operations. That helps protect local water resources while maintaining the services people rely on.